Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading the recording into Lexis audio editor so you can work precisely. Once loaded, confirm the sample rate. 44/100 Hz is standard, and whether the track is mono or stereo because processing differs slightly. Next, find and select a short segment that contains only the background noise. No speech, no intentional sounds. This noise-only selection becomes the reference the tool uses to learn the unwanted spectrum, so highlight 1 to 3 seconds that clearly represents the hiss or hum. With the noise segment selected, open Effects and choose Noise Reduction or Noise Profile so the app can analyze the unwanted sound. Click the button to capture the noise profile. This tells Lexis what to remove. Once captured, deselect and reopen the effect on the full clip. Now adjust reduction amount and sensitivity. Start with light settings to avoid artifacts because aggressive reduction chews up voice quality. Preview short sections and iterate. Gradual changes preserve natural tone while cutting noise. Apply the learned profile to the entire recording and listen through multiple places to verify results. If you hear pumping, metallic timbre, or unnatural syllables, back off the reduction amount and try blending. Apply at 1/3 to 1/2 strength and layer with a gentle equalizer to restore warmth. Once satisfied, normalize and export. Choose 16 or 24-bit WAV for editing or high-quality MP3 for delivery. Troubleshooting tip. If noise varies, capture separate profiles for different sections and apply them independently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.